Hi everyone! I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show what to do when your yarn runs out. So as you can see, I'm doing a green and white striped blanket here, and I've just run out of my white yarn. You have a couple options, but I'm going to show you what I like to do. So I've got my next ball of white yarn ready, and inside these fuzzy yarns, if you feel with your fingers, there's kind of a plastic cord or a plastic string in the middle. So what I'm going to do is take this new yarn and kind of move the fibers apart so that I can expose that plastic cord in the middle. I'm going to do the same thing with my existing yarn that ran out. I'm just going to move everything to the side and try to get that plastic cord exposed. To attach them together, I'm going to light this end and attach it to my other end. I'm just going to hold them for a second to let them cool down. And then you can start kind of smushing the two cords together to make sure that they're well attached. So you can see it attaches together very nicely and ends up giving you a seamless look. And then before you keep going, just make sure to give it a good tug. Make sure that it's strong so that it won't fall apart on you.